This 1 cup fixes your body from within after 50. Transform your health with nature's magic. 3 years ago, I watched my energy disappear. Mornings felt like climbing mountains, my joints ached constantly, and simple tasks left me exhausted. At 52, I thought this was just aging. Then my grandmother shared something that changed everything. She handed me a simple cup and said, "Drink this every morning for 30 days. Skeptical but desperate, I agreed. What happened next shocked even my doctor. The secret lies in green tea's unique compound called EC. This powerful antioxidant works at cellular level, reducing inflammation and supporting mitochondrial function. According to the National Institutes of Health, EC activates specific pathways that enhance energy production within our cells. Here's what happened during my transformation journey. Week 1 brought subtle changes, better sleep quality, and slightly improved mood. By week 2, joint stiffness decreased noticeably. The real magic happened in week 3, when my energy levels soared beyond what I'd felt in years. But not all green tea works the same way. Quality matters tremendously for maximum benefits. The science behind this remarkable beverage reveals fascinating mechanisms. EC increases thermogenesis, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that green tea extract increased fat oxidation by 17% in healthy adults. Matcha powder offers concentrated benefits in smaller servings. 1 teaspoon provides the equivalent of 10 regular green tea bags. The chlorophyll content gives matcha its vibrant color while delivering additional detoxification support. Preparation timing affects absorption significantly. Drinking green tea between meals maximizes nutrient uptake. Avoid consuming it with iron-rich foods as tannins can interfere with iron absorption. Start with 1 cup daily, preferably mid-morning. Steep loose leaves for 3 minutes in water heated to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature preserves delicate compounds while preventing bitterness. Gradually increase to 2 cups if well tolerated. Some people experience caffeine sensitivity or stomach irritation. If you take blood thinners, consult your physician first as green tea may enhance their effects. Track your progress through simple markers. Monitor energy levels, sleep quality, and joint comfort weekly. Take photos to document any physical changes. Keep a daily journal noting mood improvements and cognitive clarity. My transformation wasn't overnight, but consistency delivered remarkable results. Friends noticed my improved vitality before I did. Blood work showed better inflammation markers and enhanced antioxidant status. The compound EC also supports brain health significantly. Research from Harvard Medical School indicates that regular green tea consumption may reduce cognitive decline risk by up to 50% in adults over 60. Incorporate green tea into your routine strategically. Morning consumption provides sustained energy without afternoon crashes. Cold brewing overnight creates a smoother, less bitter taste while preserving beneficial compounds. Quality varies dramatically between brands and sources. Choose organic options to avoid pesticide residues. Japanese sencha and Chinese Longjing varieties offer excellent egg content with pleasant flavors. Storage affects potency over time significantly. Keep tea in airtight containers away from light and moisture. Use within 18 months for optimal freshness and compound concentration. Some individuals may need gradual introduction. Start with half cups and monitor your body's response. Pregnant women should limit intake to 1 cup daily due to caffeine content. Always consult healthcare providers before making significant dietary changes. Individual responses vary based on genetics, medications, and existing health conditions. My doctor was amazed by my 6-month checkup results. Inflammation markers dropped by 40%, and my energy levels rivaled those of people 20 years younger. This simple daily habit costs less than your morning coffee, yet delivers profound health benefits. The ancient wisdom my grandmother shared proved scientifically sound and personally transformative. Your body deserves this natural support system. 1 cup daily might be the key to unlocking your vitality after 50. Consistency and quality make all the difference in achieving lasting results.